Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I am doing some snow plowing all around our loop and all the way to our gate. So that will be our driveway and the loop. First I have to plug in the block heater in the bulldozer, and I gotta get this generator to start. We are at minus 25 today. It is cold. I am cold. I'm feeling it. Any skin that is exposed, you feel it. If you have been at minus 25, you know what I mean. I like the cold. I like the snow. It is snowing. Let's get to it.
Welcome to Muddy Off Grid, eh?
Muddy Off Grid, eh? YouTube channel videos are for entertainment purposes only. If you engage in any of the activities shown in the Muddy Off Grid, eh? videos, do so at your own risk. Consult an expert before operating any tools, machinery, etc. shown in the videos.
Well, I guess it's not going to start that easy. I'm going to have to bring the jumper cables, get one of the batteries from the bulldozer, and then jump start it. Hopefully it will start that way. Then I'll have to recharge the batteries in the bulldozer while I wait for the block heater to warm up. All right, well, it is what it is. You see all this snow here? That was just from last night. That's why I need to plow the snow, because otherwise we won't be able to get out. So that's a lot of snow in one night, right? Well, it could be worse. But anyway, it is what it is. I'm cold. Okay, so let's give it a crank. It's really cold. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to start it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. So the block heater is connected. You can see the snow melting away. So considering how hard it was to start the generator, I'm gonna have to give the block heater about an hour to warm up. So the batteries are charging. I'll come back in about an hour. Alright, so one of my battery cables broke off, so I have to fix it, and well, wish me luck. Almost got it.
This is how I am planning to plow the snow. I will go from here around the back of the cabin and all the way to the gate. On my way back, I will plow down this hill to complete our loop and driveway. I finally got this Dresser TD8E dozer to move. I left the engine running for about 45 minutes, and then it took about 20 more minutes to get the transmission and hydraulic oil to warm up enough to get the machine to move. After all, we are at minus 25 Celsius, and it is harsh on any equipment. The oil and fuel, even though they do not freeze, they tend to get too thick to flow through the pumps and hoses. So I had to operate the hydraulic system and the transmission back and forth to get the oil to warm up enough or to get thin enough so it will flow through the pumps and hoses, and so the machine could get moving. This is the first time I am plowing snow with a bulldozer. In previous years, we used to plow the snow with the backhoe, and it used to take me about 2 days to plow our driveway, including the loop and our access road as well. So just to plow our loop and driveway took me about 4 to 5 hours with the backhoe. I'm not kidding, it used to take me quite a long time. Don't get me wrong, I am impressed with this backhoe considering it is not a 4x4. I managed to do all the snow plowing we needed. The backhoe is a fantastic machine. We're so happy with this K680G backhoe. You can see here how much snow we used to have to deal with the backhoe. But I have to say, we usually had a lot more snow, at least double the amount of snow that we have this year. We used to have about 4 feet of snow on the ground at any given time throughout the winter. That's why I'm excited to see how long it's going to take me to plow the snow around our loop, including our driveway, and I'll compare it with how long it used to take me with the backhoe.
Okay, Almost to the gate. And I'm cold. It is cold. There should be a song like that. I am cold. It is cold. What can you do? It is what it is. Oh my God. Okay. It is cold. I am cold. What can you do? It is what it is. And it is cold. Alright, we got to the gate. Ooh.
Alright, so I'm almost done now. Well, it took me about 30 minutes to plow the snow, including the loop and driveway, with this TD8E dozer. Wow, compared to 4 to 5 hours that it used to take me to plow the snow with the backhoe, it's just amazing. Awesome, eh? I really hope you like my video, and thanks for watching, and subscribe, eh?